Hello, babe!
Welcome to our vlog! So today is we are in the Mirag Park and having our picnic with our tita. So she is the one who made this food.
Chicken,
So, yeah.
noodles, and sushi.
Hey.
We are hungry.
We are now going to eat and later we are going to
Okay.
Okay, go.
What's up?
So again, we are having our picnic. We are going to eat now, and later we're going to ride a what is
Boat?
that? Yeah, a boat.
And we're going to exercise to burn the calories.
No. So let's go.
Come
Eating
on,
time. Join, guys.
Maglipat kami guys kasi mainit. Yeah, say hi to our vlog, yeah.
Uy, vlog ka pa.
Yeah.
Pag-jack dan.
Say hi, yeah. Tamang kaya ay.
Inatag raw ni dito ta.
Oh, napabay grapes daw.
Ay, grapes?
O, tama na. Sabi ko, nagdala ka na yung grapes. O, tama, real nice nuts. O, dali, magkawag ka na dyan.
Sige ta.
O, yan, o, dali, o, noodles, o, manok, o, manok, dali. Dali, dali. Because they were complaining that the sun is too hot. And now, and then the lady walking
Hi,
there, this
tita.
was under here. And then the lady was saying, and I said, we have to move, it's too hot. And she said, what country are you in?
A few minutes later.
Punta kami ng seal. Punta tayo ng seal after. Punta na ulit tayo.
Feeling ko na-burn ko mga 7,000 calories. Na-burn ko 7,000 calories, guys. You know that.
Okay, guys, so.
Tinards! Tinahimit ate.
Hi, guys.
Tayo ta! Ay, babara mo na Tinards. Makita lang mga bato.
Wala ba yami? Wala ba yami pante? Wala ba yami pante? Wala mi dala pante. Kasami.
Ate Nards, where are we going?
Point of
What?
air.
Point of air. Point of air. Resorts World, Manila.
To see the sea lions.
To see the sea lions. Sea lions.
Why am I murmuring?
Point of air. Listen, point of air. Listen, you whisper. So guys, nato diri karon para makita na to ang sea lion. This is the
Example sa sea lion.
This is the point of air. This is what we call point of air. Air. Ta-da! Nice beautiful.
Not there because the bird Is to protect them. We go there. I think the other side it will be okay.
So, nag-transfer mi guys. Mas klaro dali
Bawal po agian.
Ang bawal ko nagian dito ako. Mga bird. Nas. Look, oh. How the gap.
Walay sila yan. Guys, sila yun guys. Way bayad magtanog sila yun diri guys. Yawa siya nilangoy siya. Where are you? Nari dito pa oh. Tara guys, so kita mo to. Uy, asa ka? Ay, Ate North!
Slide doon pa ba?
Ang isa oh, layo na kasyag nila mo yan.
Ako kayo mga bato guys. So, and ano lang ka dari whole day. Kita ni mga horizon. Diba? Galing-galing guys. Tapos data ang mga bato-bato guys. Diba? Nindot kailang bato. Magpadala ko ni sa Pilipinas.
Tara sila guys, kana guys. Mga sila yan. Layo kay sila. Next time na lang magbalik mi dari ka nang sa winter para daganog silayon dari dari lang. Or basta, I don't know, basta na yung mga silayon na daghan. Next time sa winter or maybe wata kabalo. Cute kay sila. Daghan kay sila oh. Pila to sila titulo? Tulo sila no. Upat mo to ganina. Abot lang asa to isa tulo sila guys. Tulo sila. Cute kayo. Di ko kayang tanggapin na ikaw ay mawawawawa.
Akala ko ikaw ay akin.
Bro, itong camera.
Nasa kipaningan. Grabe, uy, my God. Mga dyan yung mga problems, guys. The problems.
So that's the end of our vlog.
So, if you like our video, just hit thumbs up, shares, and subscribe. Thank you, mga babe. Bye.
Bye.
See you for our next video.